What's up, guys? Brendan Sawyer from Marketerpreneur, and today I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to be handing over to you guys a done-for-you affiliate marketing campaign promoting an incredible product that is selling like crazy. So I'm going to give you the funnel, you're going to have the emails, and you're going to be able to get the affiliate link and set it all up very quickly and be ready to go. So that product that I'm talking about is the One Funnel Away Challenge from Russell Brunson, who is the creator of ClickFunnels. And as you can see, I'm on the affiliate page right here. And all you have to have in order to promote this product is a ClickFunnels account, which I'll get to in a second. But as you can see, they pay $100 per person that you get to enroll in the challenge. And that is, again, 100% of the revenue. So all you have to have, again, is a ClickFunnels account. And if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave in the description and also the pinned comment a link where you'll be able to get a free trial. So if you use my link, you'll be able to get 14 days of ClickFunnels for free. So you'll be able to try this and start to get some sales risk free. So also, when you go to that link, not only are you going to be able to create a free account, but you're also going to be able to download this funnel. And this funnel is the highest converting One Funnel Away affiliate funnel that exists right now. And you're going to get this exact funnel. You're going to be able to one-click import it into your ClickFunnels account with that link. And again, if you don't have an account, all you have to do is click the link and you'll be able to sign up for the free trial first, and then it will download this funnel into your account. Okay, so once you get this funnel into your account, you're going to have it on a dashboard that looks like this, and all it is one page. It's very simple. And then you're going to need your affiliate link. So once you have a ClickFunnels account, you're automatically an affiliate for all ClickFunnels products. So what you're going to do is come up here and go to affiliates, and then simply click on the One Funnel Away Challenge, and you'll be taken to this page where you can copy your affiliate link. So the first thing you're going to want to do is copy this link and then come over to this funnel right here and click edit page. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your affiliate link, you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to general, and you're going to paste your affiliate link right here. Okay, so get rid of this one and paste yours right here, and then go ahead and click save. And now this page will take them to your affiliate link when people come to this funnel. All right, and then basically what you're going to want to do with this funnel is just kind of come through. You can change the headline, add your own video, whatever that may be, just kind of a little introduction into what the challenge actually is and what they're going to get when they join. And then the button will take them to the challenge. This is all set up. All you have to do is kind of edit and tweak a couple things. So these pictures are stock photos. You're going to want to get rid of those. Either put your own picture in here or kind of get rid of these. And then down below, you're also going to want to edit this stuff because these aren't real. And this is kind of just some mumbo jumbo text that doesn't actually say anything. So you're going to want to edit this part, make it say whatever you want. Make sure you leave the offer stack and they know that they're getting a ton of value for $100. And then basically get rid of this logo, write whatever you want here, update the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Then obviously I'll turn this to 2021 for you guys right now because this is the share funnel. And then change yourbrand.com to your website, obviously. And then just click save. And now I'm going to show you what this looks like, guys. We're going to go back, and what we're going to do is we're going to preview this page. And as you can see, I put my link there, and what happens is you have this awesome page, and then when you click either button, whether it's this one or the one on the bottom, a pop-up comes up. It asks for you to answer a question. You answer the question, you click to sign up, enter an email, here's my email, and then I sign up. And what happens is it takes whoever's on this page directly to the One Funnel Away funnel where they can join the challenge. So now if you're asking, well, what about the emails, Brendan? I need emails to send out. Well, Russell has already written those for you. Okay, you can create a couple of your own, but all you have to do is come back to that affiliate page, scroll down, and as you can see, here are the emails. And all you have to do is take one of the headlines and copy the body of the email and then paste it into your autoresponder. And if you don't have an email autoresponder, the autoresponder I recommend is called GetResponse. It's the one that I personally use today because I believe it's the best, and all you have to do is click the link in the description or the pinned comment and you'll be able to sign up for a free GetResponse account. And then once you sign up for your free GetResponse account, all you have to do is then connect GetResponse to your actual funnel, which I'm going to show you how to do right now. So after creating your GetResponse account, you're going to want to sign in, and then all you have to do is head over to the integrations and API page, which if you come up to the menu here, you just come down to where it says integrations and API, and then you come to API right here. And basically what this does is you click generate API key, and it's going to generate a key that looks like this. And then all you have to do is copy the key and come back over to ClickFunnels, where you're going to go right here. You're going to go to account settings, and once you open up your account settings, you're going to want to come down to integrations, and then basically just click add new integration, and then go ahead and add GetResponse, which you're going to select from this list right here. And once you do that, you're going to want to paste that API key right here and then just nickname it, and then click add integration. And after we do that, we're going to come back to the actual funnel. We're going to go to edit page, and then once we open up the edit page, we're going to go to settings, we're going to go to integrations, and then we're going to simply add that integration of our GetResponse account to this specific funnel, and then go ahead and click save. And then that's pretty much it, guys. Your funnel is then ready to go, and you can promote this in a ton of different ways. You can use TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, however you want to promote this. I'm going to get into some traffic methods on this channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. Now, again, you're going to get a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, so you're going to be able to start doing this risk-free. And as long as you get one sale in those 2 weeks, which is possible for anybody, even someone starting from complete scratch, you're going to be able to pay for your first month of ClickFunnels and basically get it for free. So I hope this helps out. I hope a lot of you watching this video decide to jump into this, because the One Funnel Away Challenge is ClickFunnels' most popular challenge and coaching program that they have out right now. And they recently have actually redid it and created the One Funnel Away Challenge 2.0, which is amazing. I've personally gone through it, and it's an incredible program, especially for $100. If you guys haven't actually joined yourself, I'm also going to leave a link in the description and the pinned comment where you can actually sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge and take it yourself, and I promise it will change your life. And then not only will you get all the information, but you'll be able to then promote it better because you know what it's actually all about. So I hope this is able to help some of you. I hope some of you take this campaign and go start to promote the challenge and make a ton of money doing so. That's what this is for, so anyone can get started, even if they're brand new. And that's pretty much all I have for this video, guys. So again, my name is Brendan Sawyer from Marketapreneur. Thank you so much for spending some of your time today with me. Keep in mind, all those links are going to be below, and I hope you guys take action on this, because this funnel is working, and it's working very well, so make sure you take advantage. My name is Brendan Sawyer from Marketapreneur. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel for everything making money online with affiliate marketing. Again, my name is Brendan Sawyer, and I am out.